everyone, how are you doing? So today we are unboxing my August Sips By box. This is a tea subscription. It comes in this adorable box every month. So I've been loving this. It's really gotten me more into tea, and I could totally use some tea this afternoon, so I am so excited to see what we got. So each month you pay $15, but you could save some money, I think $5 with my code. I will leave all the information, the links down below in the description box as always. But yeah, you pay $15 and you get about 15 to 16 bags of tea, and you get them from 4 different companies. They are super great. So Sips By bases everything you get on a profile. So when you first sign up, you fill out a profile, and on this profile you let them know what types of teas you like, what flavors. It's really nice and informative, and it makes them give you what you want. So I told them I'm pretty much open to any flavor. Like, I'm not too picky with that, but I do prefer to have caffeinated tea. So most of the time I get all caffeinated teas. Sometimes I'll get like 1 or 2 that are not, but for the most part it's very customized. And I said I'm like open to sometimes getting non-caffeinated, but I'm all about the caffeine. So let's see what I received this month. So here's what it looks like when I open the box. It says August Teas, and on the back it says made for kitty. And let's read what it says. As the dog days of summer come to a close, how do you make the most of your tea time? Will you ice your tea and hit the hammock, or blast the AC and burrow under blankets with a hot cup? You can enter to win a free month of teas when you share a photo of your box on Instagram. Use the hashtag SipsByBox and tag @SipsBy in your caption. XOXO the Sips By team. And then it gives information about each of the teas and also gives codes on how to save, which is super awesome. So if you really like the teas you get in your box, you can save some money and purchase more of them. So here are all the teas. I'm just gonna grab the first one. Stands out to me. This is Tipson Organic Turmeric Herbal Infusions Turmeric Peach and Moringa Tea. And this is a caffeine-free one. I just glanced quickly. All the other ones have high caffeine, so this is the only one that is caffeine-free. And it says 1 bag per 8 ounces of water, steep 3 to 5 minutes. It's made with organic lemongrass, organic moringa, organic turmeric, natural peach flavor. Nutrient-rich moringa combined with anti-inflammatory turmeric and a touch of peach. Enjoy any time of day. Makes a refreshing caffeine-free peach iced tea. That sounds really good, actually. And turmeric's really good for you, so that is awesome. And I'm pretty sure we get 4 of this one. Let me just double check. Okay, so there are 4 of these. And then the next one I see here is by Davidson's Organics. It says Energize, aids in boosting energy levels, USDA organic, and endorsed by Ayurvedic Healing. I'm saying that wrong, I'm sure. You couldn't see it on there. So Davidson's Energize blend aims to provide a natural balanced rejuvenation with lasting power. Cool. So this has high caffeine, steep 7 to 10 minutes. It's made with yerba mate, green tea, ashwagandha root, guayusa, spearmint, godo kola leaf, licorice root, and natural flavor, all organic. Davidson's Ayurvedic Infusions, I'm sorry, I'm probably pronouncing that so wrong. What else is new? Aims to promote balance between mind, body, and spirit. This blend is intended to help fight fatigue and anxiety and improve concentration. Oh, it helps anxiety too? Awesome. Maybe this will be the one I make this afternoon. But let's see what else we got first. Ooh, I see we have some Earl Grey. So this is by Choice Organic Teas, black tea, Earl Grey. And this, again, has high caffeine. It is made with organic and fair trade certified black tea, organic bergamot oil. Lift your spirits with this traditional tea that's aromatic and full of flavor. Brisk Ceylon and Indian black teas from select mountain gardens with Italian bergamot from Calabria. Ooh, awesome. So we had 4 of these and 4 of the last one, 4 of everything so far. I also see in here there are some Sips By reusable muslin cloth tea bags, so you can use these with something if you wanted. I'm not sure which ones you would need these for right now, but always nice to have. And the last one we have 4 of again, so we have 16 teas this month. This is a cool little package. This is Palmberry Black, fine black tea blended with an extra boost of caffeine by the Republic of Tea. And then it says high calf teas. This packaging is super cute. And then here is what the back of the packaging looks like. So it says black tea has 50 milligrams, coffee has 100 milligrams, but this tea has 130 milligrams. Nice. It says enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. That's nice. Certified gluten-free. This one's calling my name, so let's learn more about this one. So as the name suggests and everything, it has high caffeine. It's made with black tea, green tea extract, licorice, natural pomegranate, and blueberry flavor. Fine black tea with juicy flavors of pomegranate and blueberry, perfect for a midday fruit-filled energy buzz without the added sugar. It has even more caffeine than black tea. Awesome. I might have to go with this. I love pomegranate flavor, so yeah, this sounds really good, and I think the packaging is so cute. But overall, I think this was another great month. I love how personalized this is, and I seriously have been loving all the teas I get. So again, I will leave down below my coupon code and the link to their website if you are interested. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!